people, so welcome back to my channel, and I've decided to continue with my YouTube channel. I'm sure about continuing it or to discontinue, but then finally I made up my mind to continue it, and I'm here back with you guys with some new inspiration, new ideas, new stuff, and I'll try to keep consistent this time. I'll try my best to upload a video at least a week, probably on Sunday, but if I'm not able to, then I'm sorry in advance. And since the times are quite tough, so I really hope that you all are doing good and you are all safe and staying at home. So yeah, today is a DIY video. I will be making a DIY tassel wall hanging, and without much ado, let's jump into the video.
So I have taken wool, white wool. I have joined two dowel sticks, and I'm cutting the wool the length of the dowel sticks so that I can have a string on which I can hang my wall hanging. So I'm tying the knots at the ends of the sticks. And now I have taken around 65 to 70 centimeter length of wool, straight lengths of wool. I have folded them in half, and then I have tied a knot the way I have shown in the video. I have done around 20 lengths of wool like this. So in total, all these lengths you are seeing, they are around 65 to 70 centimeters lengthwise, and their number is 20. And now I am making a very simple and effortless method, I would say, because it's too simple. All you have to do is, first I have taken the first 4 strings, and I have tied a knot from the strings of the middle 2. Then I have taken the string of the already tied knot and the other one and tied them together. I hope that makes sense. Otherwise, you can see me in the video how I have done it, and I am not making them like very tight. I'm keeping them loosely tying them. And then in the next step, what I have done is I have taken the opposite strings. Now as you can see, the 2 knots which were tied, I have taken those. I mean, oh god, I don't know how to really tell you. Just see, I hope you can understand with saying. And then I have done it around like halfway through the length of my strings, and now we are making tassels. I have taken wool and wrapped it around my fingers. I have done around 50 turns. You can do as much as you want, but I think 50 would go fine, and it still looks like very voluminous and fluffy. And then I have taken another wool and tied a knot at the one end of the tassel so that we have like all the strings down. And then I have taken scissors and cut all the folded strings, and now I will be tying another knot to make like head of the tassel. And then I will be cutting the wool to equal lengths to make it look more voluminous and it looks more neat and clean. Now I'm cutting the lengths to make it then equal, and here our tassel is ready. I made 20 tassels such way, and then I tied them to my strings. I tied adjacent, like 10 I tied upwards, like a little bit up, and the 10 I tied just to the end of my string. So I tied them adjacently, like one down, then one up, down, up, like that. And yes, the tassel is ready, and I think it's quite nice for me doing it for the first time, and I really loved it how it turns out. I hope you loved it too. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment on this video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for so much more stuff coming your way.